Are you wondering where to buy Styrofoam coolers? Whether you need one for a weekend trip or 1,000 for your business, I've got you covered. I'm T. Levon Lawrence, and I ran marketing for one of the top cooler manufacturers in America. And I'm here to tell you something most people just don't know. Not all Styrofoam coolers are created equal. Now, the foam coolers made by LoBoy, they're the kind that serious buyers trust, with thicker walls, leak-tested construction, and insulation that's certified by an independent lab. So let's keep it simple. If you need just one or two coolers for the beach or backyard barbecue, you can probably find those at your local store. But if you're a business or an organization needing coolers your customers can depend on, or you need maximum thermal protection for storing or shipping perishable products, then you are exactly where you need to be. At LoBoy, we don't resell coolers, we manufacture them. In fact, we supply a lot of the distributors that other people buy from. When you order direct from LoBoy, you're buying straight from the source. No middlemen, no junk, and no markup. Click the link provided to shop our full lineup of recreational coolers, shipping coolers, gel ice packs, and more. Or request a custom wholesale quote if you're ordering in bulk. Need coolers with your logo? We do that too. We serve seafood companies, healthcare organizations, food shippers, even festivals. Anywhere where keeping things cold really matters. So, if you're looking for the right cooler, you just found the right place. LoBoy.